We're about to add the drywall. It shouldn't take too long. There's gonna be a little bit of cutting. Anyways, stay tuned, you know, go already. Things that you can do, because if I can do it, it means that you can do it too, all right? So I'm gonna have to strip this piece of drywall. It's too wide, to about 43 inches. I'm gonna use the rotary saw. I never used that saw in my life. I've had it, never used it before. We're gonna see how it works out. If I mess up, then I may switch to the jigsaw. Yeah.